Ready for a fall capsule mini guide sneak peek? Stay tuned. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, what's up? My name's Rochelle, I'm the leader with 31. And if you are in for a treat because the fall capsule, fall mini guide is about to drop. This video is for you if you want to get in on the how to and the know. But before we dive into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos and announcements that'll be happening big here on the channel. And don't forget to give this video a big like. Once it hits 100, go ahead and comment down below and I'm going to pick a winner down below. So before we go into fall, let's just quickly recap. I can't believe it. I know it's still summer, but the summer guide is being discontinued this month. That's right. July is the last month to go ahead and shop that. Right there. It says July, July, July. So, you know, this... this and this, they're going to be going away after July 30th because August 1st is the fall capsule, fall mini guide that's going to be popping up, all right? So the same concept as the summer guide, except in fall prints. That means we're talking about Halloween, maybe a sneak peek of what's going to come in the actual fall catalog. All right, so don't get confused between the main fall catalog. We are still shopping out of this guide. This one is good until, let's see, the date is on here, until August. I believe August, this is good until August, and then the main fall winter catalog will be launching in September, all right? So how do you get your hands on, or how do you get to see the fall stuff? Right here, text, right here, July, July, to that, and then you're going to hit number 2. 2 is the fall stuff. There are going to be other numbers on there for your fun and convenience, and if you want to know all the other stuff, but number 2, you're going to type in 2. When you text this number, simply text the word July, July, no extra icons, no extra emojis, no extra words. July will get you in, and you go ahead and comment number 2. Then you're going to get in my fall VIP list, and I'm going to get you all the fall mini capsule information when it drops soon, all right? You bag babes love getting to know. We're almost reaching to 4,000 bag babe subscribers, and I want to make sure I get you the information that you want. So again, best tip on how to shop or prepare for this fall upcoming season is always get in on the perks of 31. Get yourself your own pink box. If you want a discount pink ticket, comment down below or connect with me and I'll give you more information. That way you get 25% off on all things that are going to be happening for this fall season, right? Who could not save more money right now, right? But if you're loving anything in this mini catalog, remember it's going to be going, gone. There is a mystery hostess link down below that you can get a hold of, and I will announce the winner when we're at 500. Again, this is the year of you, 2022. I'm giving back to you guys. When we reach 500 and you unlock that extra hostess perk, guess what? You're going to win all the rewards for that party. So link is down below. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Check out these awesome playlists that I got going for you. And I'll see you on Saturday, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time for Bag Babe TV and some special announcements that I'll be dropping on the channel soon. Take care, y'all. Bye.